Hello and welcome to a tutorial for 2/2 right decrease cross. We'll be taking these 4 stitches, crossing them in a cable and decreasing them down to 3, all in one go. I'll show you first with a cable needle and without. So we've got our 4 knit stitches here. So a lot of this is just like a 2/2 cross. You're going to take your cable needle, you're going to slide 2 stitches onto the cable needle and let those hang in the back. Now we're going to knit the 2 stitches from the left cable or from the left needle tip, and then we're going to knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle together, just like a normal knit 2 together. And if this feels awkward to you, you could always slip the stitches from the cable needle back onto the left needle tip. We're just going to knit 2 together. Get rid of that cable needle for you. We have 2 stitches crossing over, but we only have 1 left. So we've got 3 stitches where once there were 4, but it's all going to happen behind the cross, and so it's going to look quite tidy. Let's do that without a cable needle. We're just going to put our needle tip through the 3rd and 4th stitches on the left needle tip from the front. Then we're going to pinch all 4 stitches involved. We take the left needle tip out. We scoop up those 2 dangling stitches, and then we put the stitches from the right needle tip onto the left needle tip. So now what we would do is knit 2, and then we knit 2 together. And where we had 4 stitches, now we have 3. Hope that helps. Happy knitting.